Are you looking for the best anti-aging hand cream? We've got this one right here. Figured I'd show this stuff off to you guys today. So let's go ahead and open this bad boy on up and see what we got. If y'all find this video helpful, definitely appreciate you guys for me right there. So let's see, we have a little safety seal on the top right here. So let's go ahead and peel that on back. Got a nice little hole right there to be able to squeeze what you want out of there. Of course, it comes with a nice little flip top cap right there, so it makes it very easy to open and close. Got a nice click sound too, so that you know that it's closed. Let's see, you get 100 grams in here, or 3.4 ounces. Let's go ahead and squeeze some right on out. We'll take a look at this. So that right there is what the cream looks like. It's just kind of like a white cream. This is a anti-aging hand cream. It's got vitamins A, C, and E in it. Let's test this stuff on out. Oh, it's very, very smooth, very soft, like velvety. Smell? Doesn't have a strong smell at all, which is fantastic. I know for some people, strong smells can give them a headache and that type of stuff. So this doesn't have that. It's very, very soft. It's hydrating for the hands too. Like, it's really absorbing nicely into the skin. Get all the way down onto the wrist, in between the fingers right there. That feels amazing. All right, let's see. It's a rich and luxurious hand cream formulated to maintain younger looking hands while minimizing the appearance of visible signs of aging. Its key ingredients: vitamin A, C, E, glycerin, and green tea. It's going to moisturize to smooth and soften the hands. I can definitely say that it's doing that. Exfoliates to improve uneven skin tones and textures. Application: apply a small amount and gently massage into your hands until thoroughly absorbed. Use frequently for softer and smoother looking hands. Results will continue to improve with daily use. Awesome. And then they have it in other languages on here as well. And then they go through all of the ingredients right there, which kind of hard to see, but hopefully you guys can get an idea of what they got. I'm not going to try and pronounce a bunch of those words that they have on there, but y'all definitely need to go and grab y'all some of this right here if this is something that you're looking for. And as I mentioned, this is the 100-gram one. I can't remember, but I believe that they might sell a smaller tube if you kind of want to check it out and see if you like it, or a larger tube because you know that you like it. Definitely go and check out the product listing below. And if they do, they'll have the options on there that you can choose from. That way you guys can go and pick the one that's going to be the best for you. But if y'all are looking for a great anti-aging hand cream, definitely go and check out this right here. Y'all let me know if this was helpful. If it was, there's that right there. Definitely appreciate you guys picking that up for me. Y'all go and add this to your cart. And thank you to these guys for sending this to me so I can show it off to y'all. Thank y'all for watching, and Dad out.